Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of stock trading and uncovering some profitable strategies that you can use to make the most out of your investments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these strategies are sure to add value to your portfolio. Strategy 1: Value Investing. Our first strategy is value investing. This involves identifying undervalued stocks that have solid fundamentals and growth potential. Look for companies with strong earnings, low price-to-earnings ratios, and healthy balance sheets. By buying stocks at a discount, you position yourself for long-term gains as the market recognizes their true value. Strategy 2: Momentum Trading. Next up is momentum trading. This approach involves capitalizing on short-term price movements. Keep an eye out for stocks that are experiencing rapid price changes or breaking out of established patterns. Timing is key here. Buy when the stock is gaining momentum and sell before it loses steam. Strategy 3: Dividend Investing. Another lucrative strategy is dividend investing. Focus on companies that regularly distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders. This not only provides a steady income stream but also offers the potential for capital appreciation over time. Reinvesting dividends can compound your returns significantly. Strategy 4: Growth Stocks. Growth stocks are our fourth strategy. These are shares of companies that are expected to experience above-average earnings growth. While they might have higher risk, the potential rewards can be substantial. Look for sectors with promising future trends and companies that dominate their markets. Bonus point: Diversification. And now for our bonus point: diversification. It's crucial to spread your investments across different industries and asset classes. This helps mitigate risk and shields your portfolio from the impact of a single stock's poor performance. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. There you have it, folks, 4 profitable stock strategies to consider for your investment journey. Whether you're aiming for steady income or explosive growth, these approaches offer something for every type of investor. And as a bonus reminder, always diversify to protect your hard-earned money. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more financial insights. Happy investing!